Kenya. It's not been operational since 2010. It has only been operational for a short time. For that period, there was an appropriation which was done. Isiolo was one of the beneficiaries. Because of the court ruling, the project stopped. Today, as the carer and complete those projects appropriated under that, we came to appraise the county government through the governor on the nature of the projects and when it will start and all the details in between. So for us, equalization, now we are in the process of full operationalization of this fund. And Isiolo is one of the beneficiaries. So within this year, with this financial year, it was allocated 7.2. It's shared among the counties which have been identified as marginalized by the CRA. So for us today was just a courteous call and to appraise the county government on the progress. So thank you, His Excellency, for your welcome. We feel welcome. We'll be here continuously. We'll be engaging different stakeholders, but mainly through the county government. So thank you so much. That's all I have to say to you. So, this is a allocation for 1 year. So the counties have been, actually we don't call it counties nowadays, we call it areas, but they have been, the main ones are 14, but the counties which have been added, they come up to 34. The areas, those areas can be identified in 34 counties, but the main counties which have been initially identified under which we are completing the first policy are 14 marginalized counties.
They will start the bridge of Kubiqalo between Balkadaka and Dima Ado and Bejekomarara. That will ease the transportation from Merti to Isiolo, and also it will mitigate our people from the constant attack from the neighboring counties. As you know now, the buses are not using the Acha Post Road to Merti because of the insecurity which is there. But with this bridge, the transportation from Isiolo to Merti will be seamless, and I think it will create a lot of job opportunities for the Isiolo County people. I hope also this equalization fund will serve its intended purpose, which it was intended for by the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Because the main purpose and reason for the equalization fund to be established was to make sure that the gap between the marginalized counties and the developed counties are bridged. But it is very unfortunate. For the last 10 years, the fund has not achieved intended purposes, which so it can become at par with the developed counties like Nairobi, Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyeri, Wasangishu, and so on. I want to thank the CEO. He is doing a good job, and I hope he will continue doing so. And as a county, we will support him and cooperate with him with Kubiqalo. Thank you. You want to see